All right, listen up, I have an awesome product review today. I want to talk about, it's the Complexion watercolor set, and it saved my freaking life and all my time, and I love it, and I'm obsessed with this. This video is not sponsored. I have to share this with you because I'm lazy, and I'm also always in a rush. I have 3 kids, I have a million things to do. I do not have time to be color mixing and matching. You know, the worst is, this is the worst. The worst is like, mixing all your colors to find the perfect skin tone and then running out mid-project, and then you cannot for the life of you get back to the color that you just figured out. And then your stupid face colors don't match. So this set I am obsessed with. It is amazing, it is awesome. I'm going to color swatch it for you. And then I have a little surprise freebie I wanna give away to you at the end. So stay to the end of the video. It's very short, but I have to show you these, but I also wanna give you a little free something, so watch to the end. All right, I'll see you later, bye. All right, in full disclosure, until about today, I hate color swatching. I find the entire process super boring, and I hate doing it, and I don't have time. So to make it fun, I always usually make these little girls, these little vignettes, and then I will like either pick the hair. I normally do the hair to color swatch my watercolors, and today I'm doing their faces because, of course, this is the Complexion set. So that also has to do with my little surprise freebie at the end. So stay with me, you will not be disappointed. All right, so as you can see, I'm taking, this is just regular watercolor paper, and I am going little pan by pan. And what I love about this set is that it really gives you like 12 completely separate skin tones. Like there really is like something for everyone. Some are a little bit more yellow based, some have a little bit of a red tint to them. One of them is really pinky, the Lemonade. Bear is super, super dark, and they're just like dreamy, beautiful colors. I did 2 coats in each one. I did like a kind of like an overall top version, and then the second one I went back just so I could see what it looked like when I had, a double layer of it. I could not be happier. Like I said in my intro, I hate mixing skin tones. It's super challenging, and this just takes out all the guesswork. The gold has a little sparkle there that you can see. The Lemonade is like so super sweet for like a pale mermaid. There's really like a skin tone for everyone here, and you can also of course combine them into different combinations to get the level of depth that you might want also. So for the very last girl there, I do Chant. I don't know where Chianti. Obviously, my brain thinks it's 5 o'clock. And Tiki together. And it's just a lovely, literally perfect set for anyone who loves to watercolor, especially, figures or faces. And I love doing my girls. So the freebie that I was talking about is actually, I made a PDF copy of my swatch for this project. So you can go and actually print out all these same girls yourself, and then you can do the color swatching from the comfort of your own home, and you can swatch your markers. If you print it out on watercolor paper, and if it's a light enough weight, the 140 won't work, but usually the 90 pound will work in your printer. You can do the same exact process here or with any watercolor sets that you have at home. So I put the little link in the description box below, and I pinned a comment with it, and you can just download that swatch face FunFab swatch color chart for yourself, and then when you are at home doing this arduous process, you can have a good time too. All right, guys, have fun and get this set. You will not regret it.